synonyms, then we learn all games name, then we learn opposite words. Now we will going to learn SMS language. It is very important parts for your scholarship exam and your daily life. Okay. Before we going to learn SMS language, I will tell you something about SMS. So SMS means like that, short message service. In our daily life, we have not a lot of time. So on the mobile, we wish our close ones, our relatives, our friends. That time using not a long message, we use some short message. It's called a short form. For example, in the morning, you use your friend good morning. That time you type there GM. GM means good morning. At night, we wish your friend, relatives, parents. That time you use GN. GN means good night. So like that, short form you use while SMS to your friends or relatives. Okay. So now on the board, I given some short form, SMS short form, and there is some given the full form of SMS. And now we are going to learn the question answer. Now we will read first and you listen carefully and look on the blackboard. So first SMS. So these one are the short form and these are the full form of that short form. Okay. So listen carefully. SMS means short message service. Now second one is G for F means for your information. Now GM means good morning, then GN means good night, then BRO bro means brother, then SIS sis means sister, then TC means take care, then RIP means rest in peace, then PLZ means peace, and HY have NIC night day by day. So have a nice day. So like that short form we use while SMS your relatives and friends. So now here are the questions on SMS language. In your scholarship exam, the question is coming like that. Every question have 4 options, one option is correct. Okay. And every time I told you, when you solve any questions, you read at least 2 times and recognize the proper meaning of the question. So we will read first all the questions, then we try to solve it. So the first question is, if someone wish you good morning, what is your reply? Now second one is good night short form. Now third number is, what is the short form of God bless you? Now fourth number is, what is the full form of SMS? Now last one is, what is full form of RIP? Okay, so these are the questions on SMS language. Now we will solve it. Listen carefully and look on the board. So first, if someone wish you good morning, what is your reply? Someone wish you good morning, so what is your reply there? Good night, option number 1. Second number, good noon. Third number, good morning. And last one is good day. So in good night, it is not correct. Good noon also not correct. Good morning is the correct, because if someone wish you good morning, that time your reply is good morning say. So next one is good night short form. So we learned some short form here. So it is a full form and they are asking for short form of good night. So what is the short form of good night? Option number 1 GN, option number 2 GE, option number 3 GN, and last one is BY. Okay. So here is the full form. GN means good morning, GE good evening, GN good night, BY means bye. So what is the short form of good night? GN good night. Now third number, what is the short form of God bless you? Sometimes you write on your phone God bless you. That time using short form. So what is the short form of God bless you? Option number 1 GBO. Option number 2 GBU. Option number 3 GBE, and last one is GEO. So what is the short form of God bless you? Option number 2 G for God, B for bless, U for you. So like that, second number God bless you. Now fourth number, what is the full form of SMS? Okay, what is the full form of SMS? Option number 1, short message service. 2 number option, short minute service. 3 number option, short morning service, and last one is short minute service. So what is the full form of SMS? So option number 1, short message service. I told here, short message service. Now last one is, what is the full form of RIP? Okay, what is the full form of RIP? Someone they or any incident, so like that we write RIP like that. So what is the full form of RIP? The first one is rest in public, second is rest in peace, third one is rest in pressure, and last one is rest in room. So what is the full form of RIP? So RIP is rest in peace. Option number 2, rest in peace. It is the full form of RIP. Okay. So like that questions coming on SMS language. If you know proper short form, proper full form of the SMS, you easily solve all the questions based on SMS language. Thank you very much. Hello my dear students. Last lectures we learned synonyms, then we learn all games name, then we learn opposite words, and then we learn SMS language. So now we will going to learn idiomatic comparison. It is very important part for your exam and your day-to-day life. Before we going to learn idiomatic comparison, I will tell you something about this topic. So first, idiomatic comparison means what? So in our English language, there are so many idiomatic expressions that we emphasize to a particular person or thing by comparing it. Means जर एखादी व्यक्तीची जी क्वालिटी असेल ते तुलना करताना इडियोमॅटिक एक्सप्रेशनचा वापर करतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, as brave as a lion. So here is a lion's quality is lion is a brave animal. Like that, some person also we compare this quality because of lion. Okay, so on the board I have some idiomatic expression. First we will read it, and second time I will tell you what is the meaning for that. So first we will read it, you listen carefully and look on the blackboard. So first is as brave as a lion. Second one is as bright as a glass. Third one is as clear as the day. Fourth one is as dark as a midnight. Fifth one is as fair as a rose. Sixth one is as free as a air. Seventh one as green as a grass. Eighth one as white as a snow. Ninth one as black as a coal. Tenth one as busy as a bee. 11th one as warm as a wool. 12th number as sweet as honey. 13th number as soft as a butter. 14th number as ready as a wolf. 15th number as hot as a fire. 16th number as light as a feather. 17 as a sharp as a blade. 18 as a yellow as a gold. So these are the comparisons, and there is a brave is a compare for lion. So what is the lion quality here? Lion is a brave animal. Understood? So these are the idiomatic comparison like that. So first, as a brave as a lion. So what is the quality of lion? So, lion is a brave animal. Second one is as a brittle as a glass. So glass is a brittle piece. Brittle means to break easily. So as a glass qualities, it is a brittle. Brittle means to break easily. Now third number as a clear as a day. So what is the day's quality? Is a clear. Clear means you can see anything for your eyes on a day. Now as a dark as a midnight. So what is the midnight quality? It is very dark because you cannot see anything with your eyes because of darkness. Now as a fair as a rose. So what is the quality of rose? Rose is a fair. Fair means very beautiful. Now sixth number as a free as a air. So what is the air quality here? Air is a free. Free means he wander everywhere. So air quality is free. Then as a green as a grass. So what is the grass quality here? So grass is a green because of his color is green. So what is the quality of grass? Is a green. Now as a white as the snow. So what is the snow's quality? Is white because of his color is white. Now as a black as a coal. So coal's quality is black because of his color. Now as a busy as a bee. So bees, what is the bee's quality here? Busy because he always looking busy for his collecting some honey. So as a warm as a wool. So what is the wool quality? Warm. Why warm? Because in the winter we wear some woolen cloth. So woolen cloth is very hot. So like that, wool is a warm color. As a sweet as a honey. So what is the honey's quality is? Sweet because its taste is very sweet. Now as a soft as a butter. So what is the butter quality here? It is a very soft. Okay. Now as a greedy as a wolf. What is the wolf's quality? It is a not quality but he was always a greedy animal. You listen some story about wolf. Wolf is very greedy animal. So what is the wolf quality here? Greedy. Now as a hot as a fire. So what is the fire's quality? Hot because fire is very hot things. Now as a light as a feather. So what is the feather quality here? Is very light in weight. Now as a sharp as a blade. So what is the blade quality? Is very sharp. Okay. And last one is as a yellow as a gold. What is the gold quality? Its color is yellow. So gold quality is yellow. So like that idiomatic comparisons come in your exam. Not like that. If you know proper, you can solve all the questions based on idiomatic comparisons. There are some questions on idiomatic comparisons in your scholarship exam. The question is coming like that on idiomatic comparisons. Every question have 4 options and 1 option is correct. Okay. So here are given some idiomatic comparison questions. We will solve it. Okay. In every time I told you when you solve any questions, you read at least 2 times. Okay. So one time you read it, you know the proper meaning of the questions, and second time we easily solve the questions. Okay. So the first question is the juice is as sweet as dot. Second number, I feel this bag is as dot as a feather. Second number, or third number, I saw a bird which was as yellow as dot. Now fourth one, Tanaji fought as a brave as a dot. Now fifth number, fill in the blanks as a clear as dot. Sixth number, as dot as a bee. Seventh one, as a greedy as a dot. Eighth one, as white as dot. Ninth one, the pot is as dot as a fire. And last one is as dot as a blade. So these are the questions on idiomatic comparisons. Now second time we will try to solve it. Listen carefully and look on the guideline. First, the juice is as sweet as. Okay, as sweet as. Option is 1 number mango, second number honey, third number milk, and fourth number coconut. So in when we learn idiomatic comparisons, that time I told you the sweet. What is the sweet here? Mango sweet, honey, milk, the coconut. So as sweet as a honey. Okay. So option number 2, honey. The juice is as sweet as honey. Second number, I feel this bag is as dot as a feather. Okay. So I feel. Option number 1, small. Second number, light. Third number, thin. And last one is color. So what is the bag? Look like a feather. Feather is very light in weight. So as light as a feather. So I feel this bag is as light as feather. Now third number, I saw a bird which was as yellow as. As yellow as. Option number 1, flower. Second number rose, third number gold, and last one is light. So what is the idiomatic comparison? As yellow as gold. As yellow as gold. So I saw the bird which was as yellow as gold. Now next, Tanaji fought as a brave as a dot. So what is a brave? Quality of brave? One number tiger, second number soldier, third number fox, and last one is lion. So Tanaji fought as a brave as a lion. So brave as a lion, because lion is very brave animal. So the Tanaji quality here compared to lion's qualities. Lion quality is brave. So like that, Tanaji also very brave to fight for. Now fifth number, fill in the blanks. Sometimes they give us like that, fill in the blanks and you choose the proper idiomatic comparisons in options. One number, as a clear as a, one number glass, second number bottle, third number day, last one is night. So as a clear as a glass, no. As a clear as a bottle, no. As a clear as a day, so it is right. As a clear as a day. Now sixth number, same question, fill in the blanks here. As dot dot as a bee. As dot dot as a bee. Option number 1, hungry. Second number, busy. Third number, sleepy. And last one is free. So as a bee, as a, what is a bee always? So always bee is a busy. So as a busy as a bee. Now seventh one, as a greedy as. One number, fox. Second number, wolf. Third number, lion. And last one is donkey. So who is greedy? Wolf? No, he is a cunning. Lion? No, he is a brave. Donkey? No, he is a stupid. So what is the greedy here? So as a greedy as a fox. Now as a white as a. Option number 1, sheep. Second number, sheep. Third number, snake. And last one is snow. So as a white as a. What is the white here? Snow. So snow is white. So as a white as a snow. Now ninth number, the pot is as dot dot as a fire. Okay. So what is the fire quality here? One number round, second number red, third number heavy, and last one is hot. So what is the quality of fire? So fire is very hot. So the pot is as hot as fire. Now last one, as dot dot as a blade. So what is the blade quality? He is a pointed, he is a sharp, he is a thin, he is a light. So he is very sharp. So as a sharp as a blade. So these are the questions of studying your idiomatic comparisons. If you know the proper idiomatic comparisons, you learn proper. So you solve all the questions very easily. Thank you very much. Hello my dear students. So last lectures we learn synonyms, then we learn all games name, then we learn opposite words, then we learn SMS language, and then we learn idiomatic comparisons. Now we will going to learn one word substitutions. It is very important part for your scholarship exam. Maybe 2 or 4 marks coming on this topic. Okay. So before we going to learn one word substitutions, I will tell you about this topic. So what is meant by one word substitution? So in one word substitutions, there is a one word replace whole the sentence. Okay. So in a one word replace all the sentence. In Marathi we can say one word substitution means दिलेल्या माहितीऐवजी एका शब्दाचा वापर करणे. Okay. So on the blackboard I give us some question on one word substitutions. We will read it first and second time we will try to solve it. Okay. So the first question is, choose one word from the following a man supposed to have magic power. Second number, the piece of land surrounded by the water on all the sides is called. Third number, one who like to eat non-veg food is a. Now, fourth one is, choose the one word for the underlined word. Now, fifth one is, our food is digested in dot dot. Now, sixth number, select the word for the state of staying together without fight. So these are the questions on one word substitutions. Now we will try to solve it. Everyone listen on the board and see problem. So one number, choose one word for the following a man supposed to have magic power. Okay. So you choose the one word for this whole sentence. What is the sentence is, a man supposed to have magic power. ज्या माणसाकडे एक प्रकारची पॉवर असेल, चमत्कार करणारा व्यक्ती, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो मराठी? 1 नंबर विजार्ड, second number an actor, third number a teacher, and last one is police. So a wizard means जादूगार, actor means hero, teacher म्हणजे शिक्षक आणि police म्हणजे पोलीस. So what is a magic power man? So it is called a wizard. Wizard means जादूगार. Okay. Now second one is a piece of land surrounded by the water on the all sides is called. So it is whole sentence. The piece of land surrounded by the water on all over the sides is called 1 number valley, second number province, third number island, and last one is river. So what is a piece of land and it is surrounded by the water? What does that mean? So valley no, province also no. So third number island. Island is a piece of land surrounded by water for all the sides. Now third number, one who like to eat non-veg food is called. The only man who eat only non-veg. So what is a non-veg eating man calling? 1 number non-vegetarian, second number vegetarian, third number vegetarian, last one is a greengrocer. Okay. So first non-vegetarian means only eating non-veg. Vegetarian only eating vegetable. Vegetarian it is a jumbled word here, and greengrocer means those who sell vegetables. So who's there? Non-vegetarian. It is a non-vegetarian. So one who like to eat non-veg food is a non-vegetarian man. Now fourth one, choose the one word for the underlined word. Okay. So they given some sentence. You choose the proper options. The question is a person who sells vegetables. A person who sells vegetables. ते व्यक्ती भाज्या विकतो, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? 1 नंबर शॉपकीपर, सेकंड नंबर ग्रीन ग्रोसर, थर्ड नंबर डॉक्टर, and last is chemist. So shopkeeper it is not correct. Green grocer is a correct because green grocer means those who sell vegetables. Now fifth one, our food is digested in the order. जे आपण अन्न खातो ते आपल्या शरीरामध्ये कुठल्या पार्ट मध्ये जाऊन ते डायजेस्ट होतं. 1 number heart, second number breast, third number stomach, and last one is neck. So in which part the food digested? Our stomach. Okay. Heart means hृदय, breast means कंबर, neck means मान. It is not a correct. So our food digested in our stomach. Now 6 number, select the word for the state of staying together without fight. So एक असा एक शब्द चॉईस करा की तो वर्ड या सेंटेन्सला रेफर करू शकतो. द स्टेट ऑफ स्टेइंग टुगेदर. जे स्टेट असे राज्य की ते न भांडण करता एकत्र राहू शकतात, त्या पूर्ण सेंटेन्सला कुठला असा एक वर्ड येऊ शकतो इथं? ग्रुप, सेकंड नंबर पीस, थर्ड नंबर युनिटी, and last one is gather. So what is the proper word here? Unity. Unity means एक संघ. Okay. So these are the question of coming one word substitutions. If you know the proper word, that all sentence what is called for one word, you easily solve all the questions based on one word substitutions. Thank you very much.